In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert fractions into PowerPoint and add a shortcut to make this process even easier. Whether you're a student preparing a class presentation or a professional creating a detailed report, knowing how to insert fractions can be incredibly useful. And it's actually very simple. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. You can open an existing presentation or start with a new blank one if you just want to practice. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see the ribbon, which contains all your main tools. Click on the Insert tab. This is where you can add various elements like images, tables, and equations. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Equation option. Clicking this will open a new set of tools specifically designed for mathematical notation. This is where you can add mathematical symbols, formulas, and of course, fractions. Now, under the Equation tools, look for the Structures group. You'll see several options for different mathematical layouts. Click on Fraction. Once you do that, a small fraction box will appear on your slide. You can type your numerator in the top box and your denominator in the bottom box. And just like that, you've successfully added a fraction to your PowerPoint slide. If you find yourself inserting equations or fractions often, you can make this process even faster by adding the equation command to your quick access toolbar. This allows you to access the equation tool with a single click instead of navigating through the tabs each time. To do this, right-click the equation option and choose Add to Quick Access toolbar. Now it's always available at the top of your PowerPoint window for instant access. And that's it. You've learned how to insert fractions into PowerPoint and create a quick shortcut to make the process easier next time. It's a simple but powerful way to make your slides look more professional and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials.